So my boss at the company I work for has pretty much said to plan on working from home from here on out. They're canceling our offices, which is actually no big deal to me as far as workspace goes. I have a pretty sweet setup here. And it's no secret that I'm an Autonomous Smart Office fanboy. So when they announced something that's redefining working from home, it piqued my interest, and I want it. And I want to show it to you. If you've already seen the thumbnail of this video, then you probably know where I'm going. Autonomous has come out with something called the Zen Work Pod, and it's a standalone office that you can put in your backyard. That's right, your backyard, or whatever space you want. You could even put it out in the middle of a field, if of course you had electricity. But let's take a closer look at this thing, because I think it's really cool. Based on the renderings from Autonomous's website, it looks like it's this Scandinavian minimalistic style workspace with windows on 2 walls and this beautiful slanted ceiling that gives you the feeling that this is plenty of space to work in. It even has this awesome patio too and this sliding glass door. As far as dimensions go, it stands 126 inches tall by 86.6 inches deep and just over 126 inches wide. It looks like there's enough room inside for a smart desk too and a full-size office chair, which in fact, when this thing ships, it actually comes with the Smart Desk 2 Home Edition and the Autonomous Kin Chair. That right there is about $800. Speaking of price, this thing isn't cheap. However, they do have early bird pricing on their website, and you can unlock it by subscribing to their updates before August 15th. According to Autonomous's website, these prices are coming in 3 different drops. Drop 1 only has 10 units available, but you can get it for $5,400. Drop 2 has 10 plus units available, which I don't really know what that plus means. Maybe they'll start with 10 and bump it up, but that one's $8,400. And drop 3 looks like it saves you $1,500 off of the sticker price, and it says 15 plus units available. Again, I don't know if that means they'll sell 15 and add more as the orders come in, but it'll be interesting to see. When you click the Show Me How to Get Started button, it says make sure you have a dedicated area of at least 4.8 by 4.8 meters. They also tell you to subscribe and pre-order via the Zen Work Pod landing page. And then it goes on to say the first drop of pods will be at their warehouse in late September, and the other drops will reach the warehouse in late October 2020. Then it says depending on which drop you buy the Zen Work Pod from, your pod will arrive at your address 7 to 10 business days when it reaches their warehouse. Now this thing isn't like IKEA where it just comes in a bunch of cardboard boxes and they expect you to set it up. Autonomous will actually completely set up and install your pod within 1 to 3 days. Then you're all done. You can start working from your own private pod. For those of you watching, you're probably asking, Tim, are you gonna get one? I would love one, and if I had the cash sitting on my desk right now, I would buy it as soon as that first drop comes out. Of course, I want that $5,400 price, but I personally don't think that $13,000 is a crazy amount to ask for this thing, especially if you don't have a place to work in your house. You'd be pretty much double that to add something on where you could create that work from home space. And what I like the most about the Zen Work Pod is even though you're working from home, you're technically not working at home. You have your own space dedicated to you, dedicated to your work. And with those huge windows in front and to the side and that slanted roof, whether you're a coder, a writer, a YouTuber, a musician, I just feel like your creativity would skyrocket as you're working from home in your own backyard, looking out, maybe a bird lands, maybe a deer walks through, maybe an elephant, depending on where you live. I don't know. But if you can't tell, I'm really excited about this thing. I want one. I want one bad. And I have the space for it. I'm gonna show you guys my backyard right now, where I would put it. Let me know what you think. Would it look good there? Do you guys think this thing is too expensive? Do you think it is a good value for the money? Let me know in the comments below. I do feel a little sheepish talking about how bad I want one of these things because I've just created a pretty awesome home studio and I'd have to justify separating the two. But like I said, if I had the cash right here, right now, I'd have my finger on the mouse ready for that pre-order. Now there are some things I want to thank you guys for. I've made a couple of videos in the past already about Autonomous. I do have the Smart Desk 2 home office. I made a video about that, setting it up, showing how it works. In that video, I accidentally called it Anonymous, which I'm not going to forgive myself for. I don't know what I was thinking. And when I put out that video, I included my referral link, which actually gives you guys a discount if you order from it. And of course, it's going to be available in the description of this video as well. And because I got those referrals, I was hooked up with some credits on Autonomous's website. I was able to order a cable tray for under the desk, you know, for that cable management. And then I was able to order the dual monitor arms as well, which gives me a pretty nice widescreen setup here. And because you guys watched that video, clicked the link and bought bought some Autonomous products through it. Then we both got hooked up. So I want to encourage you to keep doing that. And when you buy your stuff, share it with your friends so that you can get some credits too. Who knows, maybe I'll get enough credits to get the Zen Work Pod. You never know. I doubt it. But one more thing I was able to order from Autonomous's website was the Kin chair. Now, this is definitely the most expensive chair I've ever bought, but I'm excited for it because it's going to support my back. And I know that this is a standing desk, so I do stand up and that helps. But you know, when you're sitting, you need that lumbar support. And I feel like the Kin chair is going to do that. And it's on its way. So if you want the Kin chair, if you want the smart desk, if you need some dual monitor arms, they have a ton of accessories on their website. So be sure to check out Autonomous's website. Click the link below to see what they have available there. They have amazing products. I can't say that enough. Anyway, if you like this video, of course, you gotta like it, you gotta subscribe, you gotta ding the bell. Leave a comment, let me know, would you get the Zen Work Pod if you had the money, or are you going to get it? I'd like to know, I wanna hear what you guys have to say. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I just wanna put out a reminder to be kind to everybody. We all need to be a little bit more understanding in these crazy times. You guys have been awesome to me, so let's be good to each other. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week. Peace.